Hello, my name is Brittany Schrader, and I am a student in CEP 812 at Michigan State University. Today I'm going to talk with you a little bit about complex problems in the classroom. Specifically, complex problems are going to have many variables that must be considered in order to actually solve a problem. This is going to require students to be flexible and creative in order to solve these. Usually there is an actual clear-cut solution, but there are multiple ways to actually get there to solve the problem. Examples of a complex problem in biology are quite often different processes. A few off the top of my head would be, for example, mitosis and meiosis, photosynthesis, and I'm actually going to give you an example of a tool today that helps me illustrate the process of protein synthesis. The tool that I found to help illustrate processes is called Poplet. And what's really cool about Poplet is it's an actual space for students to come and create an interactive graphic organizer. It's probably best that either the teacher or probably better yet the student actually has their own Poplet account. It will allow you to save it, print it, and even share it on several social media sites. So for example, let's get started. We are making protein synthesis. And what's really cool about this is the ease in which that you can manipulate and create this graphic organizer. So for example, one of the first steps in protein synthesis that we have DNA. DNA is going to be used to make RNA. RNA is used to make proteins. Now that I have these boxes, I can actually create several other boxes and other connections. Um, I can color code these, change the sizes, all sorts of things. What's probably the coolest aspect of this for me is that you can actually add in different pictures into the Poplet. So I have a picture for DNA, I have a picture for RNA. It's very, very cool. Another aspect is you can comment on the Poplets, which is a neat aspect if the students were sharing with their peers. So here I actually created a full Poplet for the protein synthesis process, starting with DNA and again ending at proteins. But I also included different videos in addition to the images that I had included previously. The videos you can just import directly from YouTube. You do not have to save it to your computer. You can go right to the site and it'll save on your Poplet. And again, very helpful if the students were sharing their work and wanting other students to actually do some peer teaching. Again, I think Poplet is a very helpful tool to diagram those complex problems that we have been talking about in class.